I'm Lindsay, and I wanted to show you this great new box I just got. So I was going to show you what's in here. So I ordered a detox from yoursuper.com, and what they do is they make superfoods that you can put in smoothies and to help with your health, and they offer a 5-day detox. So I wanted to do that, and I will show you as the days go by what that's like, but I wanted to show you what was in the box as well. So in the box it came with a guide on how to do this and just some information about the product. And then it comes with several of the superfood mixes that they offer. And each of these superfood mixes has a different purpose to help with your health. So we have Golden Mellow. So this one's for inflammation to help reduce that. Matcha, Power Matcha Superfood Mix. So that's going to be another good one. Skinny Protein. Forever Beautiful. So this one helps to improve your skin and complexion. And then we have Super Green, which is going to be great for making lots of green smoothies. And then it looks like, let's see. Oh, we've got a straw, it looks like, a bamboo straw to drink your smoothies with. That looks fun, and it comes in a fun little package, although I'm not sure how to get that to come out. Oh, okay, so it's a straw with like a brush cleaner. Oh, that's handy. That's cool. So you can take it with you and have that to use. And then, let's see, a starter pack. Oh, so it looks like it includes a bunch of their, it looks like it includes all of their different mixes in like little travel sizes. Well, that's fun. So I can try all of them along with the detox and see if there are any that I like in particular, and you can order them separately or as a set, however you want to. I will be following the 5-day detox plan that they give you, where you are making different foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 5 days to help with the detox, and then the powders go in either the salads or the smoothies or whatever it is. So I will be taking you on that journey with me, and I look forward to seeing you again.